Hey guys, we're doing team draw now for the 5 bucks mix break. It's 7:25:33 p.m. Melbourne time. Random is live. Participants first. We're going 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Here we go. Yoink. Teams now. 8 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Alright, responding. I'll just copy right there for the moment. Everything is complete. Team list again. There we go. So teams are Mr. Holland, Heat, Tim Davison, Bulls, Marcus Alott, Raptors, Mizzy, Nets, Ben Francis, Blazers, Tucky, Nuggets, Craig McMillan, Grizz, Albie Chin, Hornets, Jason Aire, Celtics, Mr. Carter, Pacers, Coulson, Mavericks, Cameron Atchison, Knicks, Tucky, Wolves and Warriors, Reese, Pelicans, James Cannon, Pistons, Tommy, Sixers, John Jordan, Wizards, Albie Chin, Suns, Reese, Bucks, Daniel Jordan, Clippers, Diz, Lakers, Benji Mack, Hawks, Nick Watson, Kings, Tommy, Jazz, John Jordan, Thunder, Albie, Cavs, Daniel Jordan, Magic, Thomas Oliver, Rockets, and Albie Spurs. There's a lot to get through there. And the team list is there. It's 7:28:13 p.m. Melbourne time.